Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Mark Linsang from Techno Buffalo, and in today's video we'll be showing you guys 3 Android launchers you should check out for the month of July. We've done a few videos before showcasing other Android launchers, so if you guys haven't seen those videos yet, make sure to check out the links in the description below. So the first one on our list is the Nokia Z Launcher, which is free from the Google Play Store. When it comes to Android, customizability is a key factor to the user experience. There are many launchers to choose from, but there's only a select few that are as minimalistic as the Z Launcher. And not only that, Nokia promises intelligent minimalism. For starters, the Nokia Launcher reduces your home screen to be as minimal as possible. The top portion of the screen has your basic information like the time and calendar events, and right below that, it'll display 6 apps, contacts, or web links that it thinks you're going to want to use. Over time, the launcher should learn your habits, even depending on what time of day it is, and change what it displays to best suit your needs. Beyond the home screen, there's also an app drawer to the right where it shows all of your apps in alphabetical order, and a new addition in Z Launcher is the new widget home screen to the left, which means you'll be able to add any widgets you have installed on your device. So what makes a Z Launcher so different? Well, the hidden talent of the Z Launcher is its gesture control. You'll be able to trace a letter on your home screen and it'll show you apps, web links, and contacts beginning with that letter. Trace another letter and it'll narrow down the selection even more. It's pretty accurate and it's pretty snappy to use as well. Of course, the gesture control of the Z Launcher is something that we'll need to get used to, but it's definitely an interesting take for an Android home screen. The Nokia Z Launcher is still in beta, so a lot of what we're showing you today could be different when the final version hits. So the second one on our list is Nova Launcher, which is also free from the Google Play Store. Nova Launcher, as you may all know, isn't a new launcher at all, but quite recently it's been updated to fit the overall look of Google's material design. There are new animations, new wallpapers, and new icons to fit Google's material design as well. Nova Launcher is probably one of the most popular launchers in the Android ecosystem. I personally use Nova Launcher on a daily basis because I can customize pretty much everything on my home screen, and with the updated app, there's a ton of new features that I think are really cool. With the latest version of Nova Launcher, you now have the ability to search inside the app drawer, which is super convenient if you have a lot of apps installed on your Android device. And the widget picker also received the same treatment. You'll now be able to quickly search for a widget and also see what widget was installed recently. If you upgrade to Nova Launcher Prime for $5, you can unlock new features such as gestures, which will allow you to launch certain apps. For example, if I swipe up on my app drawer icon, it'll launch Nova settings, but I can also change that shortcut to launch other apps and launch other shortcuts if I'd like. You'll also be able to hide apps in your app drawer to hide unnecessary bloatware, add unread count badges so you'll never miss a message, and also add custom app drawers to show your favorite apps front and center. Other than that, you also have the option to change the icon size to make your icon smaller or bigger, the font and its size, scroll effects, animations, and the ability to change how many rows and columns you'd like to have on your desktop. So you can pretty much customize everything on your home screen, which is really nice. If you're looking to customize your home screen and you want to be able to hide apps and use gestures to launch apps, you can't go wrong with Nova Launcher. So the last one on our list is Action Launcher 3, which is also free from the Google Play Store. While Action Launcher may look a lot like Nova Launcher from the get-go, there's actually a couple of cool features that Action offers that other launchers such as Nova doesn't offer. One of those features would have to be the slide-out app drawer. It's somewhat reminiscent of the old Windows menu bar where it shows you the list of apps you have installed on your computer. It's very similar to that. And while it takes a little getting used to, it's a really fast way to get apps that aren't on your home screen. You'll still be able to use your app drawer if you'd like by adding the widget to your home screen, but a single swipe to the right will reveal your apps right away, so there's really no need to add that widget unless you must really have it on your home screen. Another feature that stands out in Action Launcher is the way widgets work. Just like any other modern launcher, you'll be able to place widgets like normal in any of your pages, but that takes up space. What Action Launcher did was allow you to swipe on an icon and have its widget appear on top of your home screen. This feature is called Shutters, and it'll change your life. For example, I swipe down on Phoenix, it'll show me my Twitter timeline, and I'll also be able to tweet without launching the app, which is super nice. The cool thing about this feature is that you can choose which widget you want it to launch when you perform the swipe gesture. There's also covers which will allow you to launch apps and shortcuts without compromising the look of your home screen. It's essentially a folder and an app all in one. Similar to Shutters, if you swipe up or down on an app that has covers, it'll reveal your folder. But if you tap on the app icon, it'll launch the app right away. Something new in Action Launcher 3.5 is a new customizable search bar called Quick Bar. It essentially allows you to add app shortcuts to the search bar, making it so much easier to access your favorite apps. There's a few presets you can choose from that are dedicated to social media, music, productivity, and one for Google search. Customization is also a big factor in Action Launcher. While you can use different icon packs and use different fonts, there's a feature built into Action Launcher called Quick Theme, which uses Material Design's color extraction technique on your wallpaper to apply the appropriate color schemes throughout your home screen. From the app drawer to the quick bar, status bar, and app list, it's all customizable. The only thing about Action Launcher 3 that I'm not necessarily a big fan of is that if you want to fully enjoy this launcher, you have to upgrade to the Plus version, which costs $4.99. The price is a bit steep, but if you're looking for a simplistic launcher and you rely heavily on widgets and you don't want to compromise your home screen's look, the Plus version is well worth the extra bucks. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next one.